PNSF, FP Councilor Barangay Kapungagan. She attended leadership trainings and seminars already, so one good, galing, na siya na-acquire na knowledge sa leadership pala ng mga training ko. She is the class vice mayor of Cudi School and a high school valedictorian of PNSF. She is also a former Squash Sensation Getter Guild member. Please help us welcome Ms. Rowan E. Puliman. So, all I can say is I have two reasons why I ran for this position as assistant treasurer. First, continue akong service from high school to college. And why not, this is the first year in Dagat, why not ever pa ang second year? Because sa akong second reason, gusto ko mag-serve. And sa akong nag-servahan, dito nakawag na ako ang second reason, gusto ko maging voice sa mga education students. And nagkakakitawan dito, nagkakakitawan na kaagi, dahil na sa pang basketball, dito na ko iabot sa mas kataasan pa, na direct na sa, o direct pa ng mga grassroots education, and akin na lang po sa IT. And from our party sa DEMA, sa mga democratic mag-aral, we need your support to